Hey guys, welcome back. And today I will show you how to create your own passport photos. So that way you would have the documents to go to the destination of your choice. I have the lighting set up around my movie theater screen. Make sure that your background is white so that way it will provide a good contrast. As far as attire, don't wear all white or bright colors. I'm using a Sony a6300, but you can also use your iPhone or any other cell phone that takes sharp pictures. Now once you have done taking the photos, go ahead and upload your photo to your computer. Go to google.com on your browser. It's preferably through Google Chrome, and press enter. Once you have the requirement, once you have through the search results, you go through a photo tool. But first, since this is the requirements here, it tells you not to wear glasses, not to wear hats, etc., etc. What you need though is the photo tool. You can go through this link, or you can also go through the website of Google's Google's searches, and go through here, and you want to go ahead and choose the photo. Here's the photo that I took from the camera, and you can accept it, or you could do it manually. And doing manually, what it does is that it centers your face accordingly to the requirements of the passport photo, and you drag the eyes over to your photo and accept and continue. Download your image to your device, and once it is downloaded, you can use Photoshop. There's various other software that you can use, but since we're here online, you can go to idphoto4u.com and go ahead and choose your crop photo, the one that you actually downloaded from the state government website. Open it, and well, hang on a second here. Let's try that again. Go ahead and check all these marks and then upload. And here you can actually change the brightness or the contrast. I like it in such a way that the background is kind of brighter or whiter than it should be. I don't need to know the contrast. I think that's pretty good enough. Click next. That photo, and make a photo. And for some reason, it will give you a little timer that you can't download it until a certain time. In this case, it's about 80 seconds. So just wait and download it. I'll just go ahead and name it Pass 1. Now go to Walgreens.com. You can also go to CVS, Walmart. They're all pretty cheap depending on where exactly is the closest one that you have or availability. Now go to menu, the photos, prints, and select 4x6, and as you can see, it's practically 28 cents. And create now, and upload your photo from your computer. And I'll go ahead and download, click done, And practically that is pretty much it. Go ahead and order it and we'll see. Picking up at CVS Pharmacy. As you can see, we have two of them. One for me and one for my fiance. So let's open it up. And voila. Looks pretty good actually. And that's that. Feel free to like and subscribe, guys. See y'all next time.